Let me ask you one more thing.
Yeah.
Today's the fourth day of people fasting as part of all this?
That's right.
How are you feeling?
Oh, I feel pretty good. On the stand, I had an opportunity to talk about what all we do as Witness Against Torture to try and close Guantanamo, and I enumerated marching, vigiling, protesting, and when I got off the stand, my daughter said, "You didn't mention fasting." And I did that consciously. I'm glad to mention it here, but I did that consciously because that's sort of an interior move that we all do, and it binds our community together.
Yeah.
So how am I feeling right now? I'm feeling powerful because I'm part of a group that is engaging in an ancient spiritual practice, political practice.
I got a comment from somebody saying, why are you guys doing a hunger strike? This makes no sense. And I just had to say, it's not a hunger strike. Sorry if there's any confusion there.
Right.
It's not like people are not going to eat until Guantanamo is closed. People are just doing this to sort of, as an interior thing.
Right, and we do carry some signs saying "Fast for Justice," and I invite anyone watching this to participate next year. Participate now, or fast on your own. It is a powerful tool, and I'm feeling powerful in it. So we're going to go in now and make our sentencing statements to the judge, ask him for the sentence that we want, and one more appeal to his conscience. I assume all of us are going to ask him to step down. In his final incarceration, for which I think he got 7 years. Gandhi appealed to the magistrate that was hearing his case, saying that he should step down, either give me the maximum or step down. I don't think we're going to do that, but
the maximum in this case would be 6 months.
Would be 6 months.
Okay.
Yeah. And at any rate, this judge, I could say that this judge is a very fair person, and it's been a dignified proceeding.
Right.
And I have all sorts of warm feelings for everybody. Everybody there probably giddy. I'm giddy from hunger, but we will certainly appeal to the judge, and I think he agrees, and as do. It's time to rejuvenate the concept of judicial activism that I'm quite sure even the Supreme Court has sided with the closed Guantanamo position. The executive has sided with the closed Guantanamo position. It's the legislature, the Senate, and the House that are recalcitrant on it, and I'm sure we will appeal to him to do everything in his power to restore the law of the rule of law. Finally, I would say to anyone who's watching who thinks we're Pollyannas, who thinks that these people are entirely misaccused, it is possible that there are people who are planning to kill civilians. There are terrorist bombings. There was a bombing in Iraq that made the papers this morning. And I'm opposed to violence always. So I'm not pretending that these people are pure like the driven snow. I'm pretending that they are held without charge or trial, and I'm not pretending that. I know it. They're held without charge or trial, and they deserve justice because we are just people, not because of what they may or may not have done, but because we believe in justice.